In this video, we will show the 7 best new cocktail and hospitality books. At number 1, Cocktail Codex. Our review. At number 2, the Aviary Cocktail Book. Our review. At number 3, the Dead Rabbit Mixology and Mayhem. Our review. At number 4, Ritz and Escoffier. Our review. At number 5, Be Your Own Bartender. Our review. At number 6, Nightcap. Our review. At number 7, the Mini Bar. Features. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.